ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 52 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 9. ನಾರಾಯಣಾಕೃತಿಂ ಅಸಂಖ್ಯತಮಾಂ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಸರ್ವತ್ರ ಸೇವಕಮಪಿ ಸ್ವಮವೇಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಧಾತಾ ಮಾಯಾನಿಮಗ್ನಹೃದಯೋ ವಿಮುಮೋಹಯಾವ ದೇಕೋ ಬಭೂವಿತ ತದಾ ಕಬಲಾರ್ಧಪಾನಿಃ. Word by word meaning. Asankhyatamam, innumerable. Narayanaakritim, forms of Narayana. Sarvatra, everywhere. Sevakam, swam, api, and himself attending on them. Avekshya, seeing. Dhata, Brahma. Mayani magna hridayaha, his mind overpowered by thy Maya. Yavat Vimumoha, when he became completely confused. Tada, then. Ekaha, as only one. Kabalardha Panihi, with a half ball of rice in the hand. Babhuvita, thou didst become. Full meaning. When Brahma, seeing the innumerable forms of Narayana and himself attending on each of them, became completely confused, his mind overpowered by thy Maya, thou didst again become only one, holding a half eaten ball of rice in the hand. Note: Brahma again saw Krishna as he was before the calves and boys were taken away by him. Om Tat Sat.